Okay folks, welcome back to Boiler Room Rips. Got another one for you today. It's going to be a Street Fighter mystery pack from Jada, I believe. Jada Toys. Die-cast metal figure. See who we get today. Always like these quality pieces. Solid die-cast, nice paint on them. Let's see who we get in this one here. Oops, sorry, take it off screen. What's that? Oh yes, Chun-Li. Here we go. I think she's a chase character. I don't know which. This is just the regular Chun-Li, I believe. Right on. Not bad. Got a couple more we'll do. I got this guy here. Let's see who's in this one. Another 2024 Jada Street Fighter mystery pack. Let's see who's in this. Oh, that's, oh, shoots. Almost dropped them on the floor, but at least got my styrofoam there. This is, who is this, Balrog? I think that's Balrog. Alright, and yeah, it's Balrog, and I got another one here. Let's do this last guy here. That's cool. Just before I do this one, I want to show you the one I opened on the way home when I did get all these packs. Like Guile. And let's see who we have in here. Oops. Oh, Blanca. There we go, Blanca. They're really nice quality characters there. I like that. There you go. I got those guys today in those mystery packs. Not bad. I like the Street Fighter. The Jada products come pretty quality. Let's get the trusty magnifying glass out and see if I can get you a nice shot of those. They're a little bit closer up. I don't have a good close-up on this camera, so we'll use the magnifying glass. Oh, look at that. There's Chun-Li kicking ass. Balrog, don't get caught in his uppercut. Oh, man. And then my favorite, Guile, kicking ass and taking names. This guy's my favorite character of them all. Alright, see you next time. Boiler Room Rips.